Hey guys, this is Watts here, and thank you for browsing through the Standout Accelerator program. I've made this quick video to show you guys some results that I've been able to achieve using the same step-by-step framework that I'll be teaching you guys over the 3-day Standout Accelerator program. So before we get started, we're going to check today's date. So I'm on google.com and I'm going to just refresh the screen and type in for today's date so that we're sure that we're looking at the right data based on the date. So today is Sunday, December 20th, 2020, and we're going to straight dive into the Google Analytics account. Now, this is Standout's Google Analytics account. We have a couple of domains and subdomains. This is for one of our website, and you can see right now I've got about 9 active users on my website. In the last 6 months, I've been able to generate about 155,000 visitors and about 89,000 users on this website, with an average person spending at least 6 minutes on my website. Now, I'm going to refresh the screen so that, we're on the same page and it's not photoshopped or fake data. Great. So by default, it shows last 7 days. I'm going to go and add a preset to it. I'm going to preset it to the last 6 months data. Right. So in the last 6 months, it's the same data which I showed you right now. Now you can also look at the sort of traffic channels. So most of our traffic has been directly through direct, social, and organic. So social is through the ads that we run on Facebook, and we've got tons of traffic coming through Google search as well. So tons of people searching for the keywords about Standout on Google, and they are coming on our website. So a quick overview on sort of traffic channel data. And if we scroll down a bit, you can see in the last 7 days, most of our traffic has been from US, India, Singapore, Canada, Philippines. Now, this is data for the last 7 days, but of course we can go and look backwards as well for the last 6 months, 1 year, etc., etc. Now, the most interesting part is the revenue, right? So what's the amount of revenue and the sales that we have been able to generate through all these efforts and through the same step-by-step framework? So you can look at in the last 7 days, we've been able to generate about 17,000 US dollars through the same step-by-step framework. Now I can go back. I can look at the last 28 days data. So in the last 1 month, we've generated about 85,000 US dollars. And I can go back to the last, let me go back for the last 1 year sort of data. Let's look at the last 12 months data. So in the last 1 year, wow, we've been able to generate about 322,000 US dollars. That's about 2.2 crore Indian rupees. So that's a lot of money, right? And we've been able to do this using the same framework that I'll be teaching you in this program. Now, quickly diving inside my Facebook ad account. Now, this is my Facebook ad account, and this is like a quick data that I've pulled out just for the sake of this video. Now, you can see I've got a couple of ad accounts. I've got one for USD, and which is basically targeting countries apart from India. And I've got another one for India as well, which kind of builds in INR, that's Indian rupees. So I'm going to again refresh the screen so that you guys are sure that we are seeing the real life data. Great. So you can see that in the last 1 year, that's from January 1st to December 2020, we've had about 1.5 million reach and 3.5 million impressions. And we spent about $68,000 on ad spend, resulting in 1,281 purchases and 70,000 checkouts. Now, most of the traffic in the purchases has been from US, Canada, Philippines, United Kingdom, Australia, Singapore, New Zealand, Brazil, Malaysia, Nigeria, India, Denmark, UAE, Chile, Sweden. So you can see like tons of countries have been marketing across 25 plus countries for the products and the courses that we sell. And we've been really, really successful doing this, and that's the reason we have launched this course to even help you guys do the same. Now you can see that for the Standout INR Indian ad account, we've had about 2.9 million reach 7.6 million impressions, and we've spent about 13 lakh Indian rupees, resulting in 1,000 purchases and about 9,000 checkouts. Right now, if this is not enough, I'm going to show you some other interesting stats coming forward. So we've also been retargeting our users through email campaigns, and you can see most of our email open and click rates has been phenomenal. Our click rates are above 10% and open rates above 40% for some of the campaigns. Now, these are some really impressive numbers because I've worked with tons of companies and they don't even are able to achieve even 10% of open rates. So 40% is a really, really good number. And you can see we've been able to achieve that through our email campaigns. And this is my another email account, and you can see we've been sending more than 10,000 emails a day to our subscribers that we have accumulated over the last few years in business. This is my another email account, and you can see we've been able to get some really interesting open and click rates. So open rates are way above 20%, 34, 43, 40%, and we've been doing tons of drip campaigns to retarget, remarket our customers. So again, this is not rocket science. It's very, very easy to set up. We use a bunch of tools that help us, build a system, and I'll be explaining and teaching you exactly the same framework that you can start applying and start driving revenue for your idea, your business, your consulting gig, whatsoever that you're looking out through online marketing. Now the last and the most interesting part is the revenue, right? I mean, of course, I showed you Google Analytics data, but the real revenue can be seen through the payment gateway accounts. So this is my Stripe account, and you can see that in the last, from May 2020 until December, so in the last 6 months, we've generated about $150,000 through our Stripe payment processor. And I can just refresh the screen so that you guys are sure that it's not again like a faked Photoshop report. So you can see from January 1st until now it's about $200,000, and from May, let's look at May 05 2020. Yeah, it's about $153,000. That's the amount of revenue we've generated through our Stripe account. And this is my PayPal account. You can see we've got about 431 transactions, and we've made about $60,000 in this year. So I'm looking at 2020 data. So just this year, okay, it's gonna ask me for login. It's about $20,000, $30,000 this month in the last 30 days, and 2020 it's about 58,000 Singapore dollars, right? So this is my Stripe account, and this is my InstaMojo sort of payment processor we use for our Indian clients. So you can see I can again refresh the screen, and you can see that we've generated about 30 lakhs plus in sales. So still refreshing, right? So you can see 32 lakh rupees we've been able to generate in sales just for our Indian customers. So yeah, I mean, that's the power, right? I mean, you don't really need to build followers or fans or likes for a Facebook, Instagram page. Today's marketing is more result oriented. What matters is what's the result that you're able to achieve through your marketing strategy. And that's exactly what we're going to teach you. You don't need even 1,000 likes on your Facebook or Instagram page. You just need a Facebook ad account, and we will teach you the step-by-step framework on how you can start, applying the same for your own consulting gig or any sort of offline or online business that you are planning to start or already are doing right now, and start generating sales, leads, traffic, whatsoever your marketing objective would be. Thank you so much, guys, for listening, and I'll hope to see you inside. Cheers.